Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to install your Pixel on your WordPress website. You have a landing page you want to use to promote your product or your services. You're going to learn how to install your Pixel on your website so that you'll be able to track your leads or purchases on that site. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do on your Chrome browser is to install what we call Facebook Pixel Helper. Facebook Pixel Helper. Yes, it's a Chrome extension. You need to install it, and this will help you know if your Pixel has been properly installed on your site. So this is search button. Pixel Helper. I don't know if they've changed the name, but it used to be Facebook Pixel Helper. Let me be sure. So I think this should be done. So go with this. Add it to Chrome. Okay. Let's add it to Chrome. Add extension. So our Pixel Helper is now here. So I want it to be here. So if I reload this page, it's going to show me there's a pixel here. If there's a pixel here, it will not be gray like this. It would be somewhat different. The color is going to be different. Let's see what website now would we use in checking. Okay, Facebook. Let's try Facebook. Facebook.com. Facebook.com. So there's no showing. Okay, now we've downloaded the extension, the Pixel Helper, that will help us know if we install our Pixel properly. Now the next thing you need to do is log into your WordPress website. And then how do you log into your WordPress website? Now this one I'm using is this. So you go to the name of your website. The name of the one I'm logging into is kgne.com.ng and /WP dash admin. You see what I did here? The name of your website /WP slash dash admin, right? Then you click the enter button. So it's going to refresh and then bring you here. So all you need to do now is enter your username or the email address and the password. So I'm going to pause the video now and impute that. So I've imputed it. So I'm waiting to be logged in. So now I've logged in. So what next do you do, right? When you're logged in to the website, give me a minute. Okay, so we would come to when you're in your dashboard or you've logged into your WordPress admin area, you scroll down to plugins and click on add new. You will now search for headers and footer, right? Headers and footers. So you come into the search bar here and type in headers and footers. So now when this shows up, you click on this one, this WP code, insert headers and footers, and click on install now, right? So it's installing. So it has finished installing. We need now to activate it. So you click on activate. First, you go to your plugins, search for headers and footers, then install it and then activate it. So it's now activated. Where is it? Here it is. So it's active now. So when we are done now, we'll now go to settings. Okay, it's still refreshing. Oh, what are you guys doing? So you come to, you see when it has been installed and activated, it will appear here, code snippets, right? When you see code snippets, you click on it and then go to header and footer. Go to header and footers. Hope you're following closely. Hope you didn't miss anywhere or you didn't get lost. After installing and activating it, it's the code snippet is going to appear here. And when you click on it, when you click on code, okay, when you click on code snippets, right, you would see add snippet, header and footer, library, generator. Click on header and footer. So this is where you're going to input your pixel code. So now let's go to the ads manager. So now this is the account I'm going to be installing the pixel on. So now go to these three lines here on the dashboard and then go to event manager. Event manager. Go to event manager. So we are in event manager now. Now let me show you this. This is the website. This is the website, right? Now this is the website. Now there is no pixel installed here, right? No pixels found on kgne.com.ng. So now there's no pixel here. So it's empty. So now we'll come to event manager, remember, and then you click on connect data. right? You click on connect data sources. So connect data. Now you choose web, click connect, enter the name of your pixel. Let's say kg1, and create pixel. Now enter the website URL, that's kgne.com.ng. So now click on check. It's good. Click on next. Follow closely, please. Now, instead of this, now we'll choose metapixel only. Metapixel only. Click on next. So network is quite slow. So while it loads up, so now what I'll do now is to get the metal code. So I'll come back here. You see the pixel here, but we've not installed it yet. So we'll continue pixel setup. Metapixel, connect. Now install code manually. You click on install code manually, right? So this is the code here. You click on copy. You copy code. You come to your header and footer in your WordPress website. You paste it. You paste it here. You paste it here. After pasting it here, you click on save. Save changes. Click on save. Refresh. Okay, it's refreshing already. Refresh this again. Now come to Events Manager. Click on continue. Turn this on. Continue. Then open Event Setup tool. Then put in kgne.com.ng. Okay, let's send traffic to this place first. Refresh. Copy. Open another tab. Paste. Go again. Right. Open another tab. Paste. Refresh. Now, remember when I showed you earlier that there was nothing in this website, there was no pixel. Now let's go to our pixel. Remember, this is our pixel. Click on it, and as you can see, there is now a pixel here. There is now a pixel here. This is the pixel. So we'll come back to, we are done with our WordPress website installation. We can close it up. And now we'll come back to Events Manager. Can cancel this. Okay, let's see. Let's put this KGM com .ng. Okay, let's go back to our data sources. So refresh this. We're waiting for if we're waiting for traffic. Let me paste this. Go close this. Go again. I'm trying to send traffic to the pixel to make it fire up, right? So now wait for so now we waiting for the pixel to pick up. It has picked up events. It's picked up events. It's quite slow. Come on. So now we have to set up on the website. Let it just finish loading, right? Let me pause and just. Okay, so it has showed up now. So what do we do now? You come here and then you click on add events, right? You click on add events, you come back to from pixel. Where do you want to pick the events from? The pixel. So you click on from pixel. Now you go to open event setup tool. Because this is what we want to track. What do you want to track? Paste. So we'll open the website. Okay, let me turn this off. Open. Okay. So now this is where we're going to be tracking our details, right? This is where we'll be tracking the buttons we want to track and stuff. Okay. Let's go. So this is where we'll be tracking. Come on, it's supposed to fire up. Now it has finally picked up the pixel. So now this is what we'll do. We'll now click on track a new button. Track a new button. You scroll down. This is the button we want to track. This one. Don't track this one. If there are 10 buttons here, you do it for the same 10 buttons. You click on that button, choose the event you want to um the event you want to optimize for. You want to be tracking rather. Is it lead? Is it purchase? Right, this is lead. You don't need to touch anything here, just click on confirm. Now we track another button. We have two buttons here. So click on this one. Okay, this one is not. So yes, sometimes you might experience this. So go back again. So now these whole buttons now they are being tracked. See, for you to know that your buttons are tracked, look at this. You see a kind of a funnel sign on them. Let's say this one now, this button here is saying yes, give me access. And you have another button that is saying I want access. You would have to track them differently. But if they all have the same name, right? If they all have the same name, once you track one, the rest of the buttons having that same words on them will be tracked. Yes, give me access. Yes, give me access. So for you to be sure your buttons have been tracked, you see this funnel sign here. So what do we now do? We'll click on this button. Okay, that's already been tracked. So you click on finish setup and then you click on finish. So you skip. So you skip it. Okay. I don't know if what's wrong with this new pixel. Other ones are not this. So now, going to the events manager now. We're going to the event manager now. So we refresh this. And then now what do? We send traffic to the site. Remember, there is no we send traffic to the site. Paste, paste, send. And when you come here, click on this, click on it, share on WhatsApp, cancel, click on this, cancel, come here, click on this. I'm trying to send to verify that the pixel will be picking each lead that clicks on the buttons. Cancel. Alright. So now we'll come to our events manager. Let's see if we'll have any reading. Just give you some time to propagate. See if we have any reading. Okay, let's finish loading. Give me access, cancel. So as you can see, the Pixel has picked the times I duplicated the website. So I'm waiting for it to pick also the leads. So this is to show you now that the setup was done properly. You see page view, you see the lead I optimized for on those buttons. So now I'm waiting for you to pick me clicking on this. Waiting for you to pick me clicking on it. Paste, go. Okay. Let's see if I'll do this on another browser. Let me do this on another browser. Paste, go. Give me access. Yes. Paste. Give me access. Give me, okay. Let me track the buttons at the bottom. So let's see. Let's refresh. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Let's refresh this and see. Network is quite slow. Let me pause the video. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, I think I'll have to stop the video here. You've not picked up event yet. So let me do this one more time, please. In the next 1 minute, let's see what we'll get. Give me access. Give me access. So Let's see what we have. While this is loading up, let me pause this. Okay, guys. So I had to come back to the events manager to show you the report, right? And this is how you know if you properly installed your Pixel and it's firing very well. So as you can see here, the page view is 19, the lead is 13. That was because I've been clicking on the buttons which I installed or I picked as my event, right? So that's how you know your Pixel is working properly and is properly installed. Remember to install or add to your Chrome extension the Pixel Helper, Meta Pixel Helper. It would help you know if your Pixel is installed on your landing page or your website properly, right? If it's not, you would know. It will be gray. As you can see here now, it's kind of blue, right? But earlier it was gray. So I showed you the whole thing. So now this is how you install Pixel on your website. So learn, implement, and I wish you success.